Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, tech away, tech everything. And in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to send videos and photos from your Honor phones to iPhone. They made it transfer from Android phone to iPhone easier, and I think they're trying to bridge the gap and try to convince the iPhone user to go to their platform. By doing this, I have to say it is pretty good idea and it's very easy to do it. You just need a Honor phone that supports Honor Connect. Any Honor phones. It doesn't has to be this phone. This is Honor 600. You guys can go check out the videos that I made for this phone. You know, I made quite a few of it and even did a in-depth review about this phone. You guys can go check it out that too. I'll put the link or card here. Alright, first thing first, you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Both are on your Honor phones and also on your iPhone. Alright, make sure these two are on, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The second thing is, for iPhone side, you need to download the app called Honor Connect, and it looks like this. Alright, I already downloaded and installed, so I don't need to download again. You just click open and the interface is looking like this. I'm gonna use the share feature. Honor Connect is the app's name, and then it got two features, share and connect. Connect is like notification sharing and you can receive view then, but this is not the tutorial for that. Today I'm gonna show you how to share your videos, your photos from Honor phone and then you transfer to iPhone. Yeah, that's simple. So let me pick few of it. You know, I took a lot of photos and videos on this Honor 600 and looks pretty good. Yeah, and okay, one video. So after you selected the videos, the photos that you wanted, and you click the share here on the left side, and as you can see, I did it before, so that's why it's showing it here very fast. So you just click that and it will preparing, pops up the notification. Honor 600 would like to share files with you. Accept them, of course. You just click accept, and yeah, you'll see this interface. 3 images and 1 videos. Right, so in total is 194.558 MB in total. Yeah, just gonna wait. It depends on the size, how big is the size of your photos and videos, so times is varied, but usually it won't take too long, yeah, because they're like close to each other and strong Wi-Fi. So yeah, you have to make sure that both are connected to the same network, yeah, in order to do this. Okay, done. So completed. Can just click view. Yeah, I got the videos and photos as you can see here. Yep. Okay. Alright. So voila, that's so simple. It's easy. There you have it. That's how you send your files, your photos, videos from your Honor phones to iPhone. Super easy, straightforward, simple, and it's free. That's it. No need to create account. Yeah, no need to sign up, anything. And that's simple. Thanks for watching. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down in the comment section below. Tell me what do you think about this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.